I don't got nothing. It's cameras. It's cameras.
Did she get the cash?
No, no.
What's going on?
I need my money back on my card. That's what's going on.
For
I
what?
need my money back on my card that I spent here. Refund. It's called a refund.
And what did you purchase and when did you purchase it?
A pack of gum right now. Not even 5 minutes ago. Haven't even walked out the store.
Basically,
I need my money.
told her.
So what were you doing to damage stuff before
I ain't
paying?
touched in here. It's cameras. Run them.
So basically, she's trying to get cash back. Yes, she was a penny short. He asked her.
She was short on money.
Asked him, can he get cash?
She
a
ain't
penny
got
in
my
cash?
money.
He told her, yeah. She went to the car, got the penny, and came back. And when she came back, now
He
told her
said no. So I said I want a refund.
And he want to act like he can't get her no refund.
So give me my refund.
Did she ever pay for anything?
Yes.
She bought these packs of gum and got cash back, but we can't do a refund on cash.
She just called her manager. Her manager said refund. That's what she's in here doing on my kid, on my dead mother.
If they're saying that they can't do refunds on cash back, then
her
they can't
general
do it.
manager, she just got off the phone with. That's why she just
Don't get
listen. That's why she just searched in the garbage for that receipt. She's sitting there doing the refund. She saying she can't do nothing because you're here.
No, I
She was just finna refund me my money. And my line, you've been standing right here this whole time. She been typing in this thing.
Can you
finna
refund the gun, just not the cash back?
Correct.
Okay. So it sounds like she can refund you for the gun.
She can refund me my whole thing. She just called the manager. On this little device right here, she just called.
It sounds like she can refund you for the gun, but not the
Listen, I need
cash
my
back.
money. Listen, I don't want nobody talking about that money came off my card, and I need it back on my card. Just like that manager just said, find the receipt and refund her stuff. She gonna find the receipt and refund me my money. Don't know what to say.
What's your name?
None.
Okay, well they want you trespass from here, so I don't you have to give me your name.
Once I get my money, I will be trespassing. I don't even live on this
Well, I
side.
need your name to trespass you.
Once I get my money, you will get my name.
That's not how that
Once I
works.
get my money, you will get my name.
The 12th of July, 2025. Officers responded to a Family Dollar in Davenport, Iowa, after reports of a woman causing a disturbance over a cashback refund dispute. Under Iowa trespass law, a business may revoke any customer's license to remain on premises and request law enforcement to enforce that decision. The call to police was lawful. Officers arrived with a disturbance call and a trespass request. Supreme Court precedent on stop and frisk established that these facts are sufficient for a lawful investigative detention.
What's your name? You're with her?
Nope, he not with me. He don't know me.
It's a drag here. Oh, there. This is Officer Jess.
I want my money on my
She just told them to say this. Ain't nobody stupid.
Okay.
on my kids. Like, make this shit make sense.
I just heard.
I'm not slow.
She got the cash.
I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing. It's cameras. It's cameras.
Did she get the cash?
No, no, no,
Okay.
no. It's not in my hand. Just like I swipe my card, it's not in my hand.
Here.
That's not mine. My money was on hers.
They're saying this is yours.
My money was on
Well,
on
this
hers.
is what
That
you
came out
got.
the drawer. That's not mine.
Okay.
That's called stealing.
Well, here's the thing.
That's called stealing.
This is what they got for you right
I
now.
need refund. My money on my
Are they going to
card.
refund it?
No, they can't refund
Yes,
the
they
cash.
can. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Yes,
Okay.
they can. Yes, they can.
Nope.
So we need your
Yes,
name
they
so we can trespass you.
I don't know my name, and I
Okay.
don't got no ID.
All right, put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
You cannot listen.
Stop. Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. You're not going to cooperate?
No, I ain't tripping. I don't got no name though. Get my phone back.
No, we'll take it. Thank you.
I need that.
No, you don't. You're not with her.
Get my keys.
She's not with you.
Get my keys.
said he's not with you.
Yes, he is with me.
Get up.
Yes, he is with me.
Get up.
Give my phone to my boyfriend. Give my phone to my boy. Record this, babe.
Get up.
Cause all this over my money.
Okay. Okay.
Get the keys, babe.
You're making this more difficult for yourself.
Stand
here.
up. Walk.
I'm not making shit difficult. I got scoliosis. You pulling my hair? You pulling my hair?
Stop.
You pulling my hair?
Turn around. Now.
Turn around for my money. Turn around for my money. Turn around for my money. I got scoliosis. I want you to know that.
All right, turn around. You're
I
going to
got
get sprayed.
scoliosis.
Turn around. You're going to
I
get
got
sprayed.
scoliosis.
Turn around. You're going to get sprayed.
For my money, let's make this shit
Turn
make
around.
sense.
Put your hands
And
behind
make
your
sure
back.
you come up to the police station. My head is on the ground, sir.
Well, then
Put
stop.
your hands behind your
I'm
back.
not even moving. I'm not even moving. I'll be out today. Y'all tripping. All this over my money. Let's make
They
this
gave you
shit
your money.
No!
The officer requested the subject's name a lawful act under Iowa's Stop and Identify statute. Iowa requires any person lawfully detained to identify themselves upon request. The subject refused. Repeatedly, the Supreme Court resolved this in He Bell versus 6th Judicial District. A state may require identification during a lawful stop without violating the 4th or 5th Amendment. Refusal to identify is not a protected right. As refusals continued, probable cause crystallized under the totality of circumstances standard. The business complaint, the subject's presence, and her refusal to identify combined to meet the legal threshold for arrest. The officer ordered hands behind the back. The subject refused and went to the floor. Iowa's interference statute covers exactly this: physically resisting a peace officer in the execution of a lawful duty. That is a misdemeanor charge. The OC spray warning was lawfully issued. Iowa's use of force statute authorizes any force a peace officer reasonably believes necessary to effect a lawful arrest. The warning was given. The spray was never used. Physical control is evaluated under the objective reasonableness standard, the officer's perspective at the moment, not in hindsight. That is the controlling Supreme Court standard on use of force. The subject received a notice to appear, not a custodial arrest and transport. The Supreme Court has confirmed a full custodial arrest for a misdemeanor is constitutionally permissible. A notice to appear was more lenient than the law required.
The lady just said that they can refund me. That's what I'm saying. Where my money? Where my money? Where my
I tried to
money?
give it to you.
I bet you gonna take it.
I didn't take it.
Let's make this shit make sense.
All you did is have to give us your name, huh?
I know what I have to give you, but all I have to do is refund me my money. Like
They
the
gave you
manager.
your money.
Listen, is y'all gonna listen or not? Oh my damn, my mama just died. The manager said that they can refund me
They
my
said-
money. The manager just said that they can
Yeah.
refund it. I'm telling you, she did before you came in. Ask them. She said it. I promise you.
Right, here, listen
I
to
promise
me.
you, G.
Listen
I
to
promise
me.
you, sir.
They had the money.
Listen. Okay, look, I went in.
Uh-huh.
I was getting cash back. Right? I was trying, my goal was to get $20 cash back. They told me I could not get 20, only 25.
Uh-huh.
I told the man, I said, I only have $12 left on the car. He said,
Right.
take $150 to charge. I said, I have the penny in the car. He said, you can go get it.
Uh-huh.
I went to go get the penny. I went back in. The man said, oh, well, with cash back, you cannot use any change. You have to use the money that's on the car. I said, I'm short a penny. I just asked you this before I left out.
So they had it. Hold on. So they had a $10 bill and a penny with it.
Yeah, no. It was supposed to be 10 cents.
Okay.
It was supposed to be 10 cents. The $10 bill came from the first time I did cash back. If you listen, they said I could not get the whole 20 off. Only 25. I didn't have 25. I had 24. I had $24
Right.
and change.
Okay.
So I took off 10. It took 12.04. And I was trying to take off the other 10, but I was short a penny.
Okay.
The man said I could go get the penny out of the car.
Right.
I went to go get the penny, and I came back, and he said he changed his mind. He said I couldn't.
Okay.
He said I couldn't. So I said, can I get a refund? He said no. I said, well, can you go get the manager? Because I know for a fact I can get a refund as long as I got my receipt. They called the manager. The manager said, yeah. The man with the glasses, Paul, called y'all. The police, he said, he don't got time for this and all of that. Called the police. I said,
Right.
call. I'm not doing nothing.
I talked to the manager on the phone. She said she couldn't refund you the
Yeah,
cash
she
back.
said that now because you was here. I'm telling you.
She had the $10 for you.
I'm telling you, if you wouldn't have never came, I swear to God, I was finna get my refund. She was putting it in the computer. She just looked in the garbage for the receipt for 5 minutes. I'm telling you, they just reprinted the receipt and everything.
Okay, I'm telling you what the manager told me. She said that she can't refund the cash back. She could give you the cash.
She was about to refund
Okay.
it until she saw you, and I just said, you finna refund my money? She said, I have to wait to see what she say. She pointed directly at you. That was the overlay for the underplay. I don't care about being trespassed from here. I don't live on this side. I just wanted my money back on my car so I can go to Shells and get the whole 20 off. That's it, that's all. I just wanted my money on my car so I can go take the whole 20 off. I didn't care about the store. I didn't damage nothing in the store. I didn't touch nobody in the store. The man just grabbed me by my shoulder and my neck. And I told him to let me go. Because if I hit him, y'all going to be saying that I hit him.
Well, if you hit him.
But he can hit me. He can grab up on me.
No one says that.
Like, make this make sense. I just wanted my money on my car.
Right, no, I get that. But you also have to understand where we're coming from.
I do understand where y'all coming from.
When you're saying you're not going to cooperate with us, you're not going to give us any information.
Because I wanted my money.
Hold on, I understand that. But we can't control how they get your money back to you. I can't control that, okay?
Yeah.
So
they was going to refund it. They was going to refund it.
That could be possible. I don't know.
They didn't want to refund it because they was waiting on her ass or whatever she said. That's weird though. She was just gonna refund it. That's so weird. I just wanted my money on my car.
Where do you live? And you said you live over
I live on the Davenport side.
Okay.
I came here to get cash back.
Okay.
My boyfriend finna get ready and go to work. I call him in there because, I mean, I know I'm black and they white, and I mean, they be lying sometimes, which is understandable. So I call him in there, so allow me. They did it before.
All right.
Not here, but in general. Like, I don't know. I just wanted my money back on my car.
No, I get that.
And she was about to do it. That's all I'm saying. She was about to do it.
Right.
Until she walked in. Now they got my $10.
He's got it. He got it. Okay. Did you give this other officer your name, hon?
Corey.
Corey.
I don't need to go to jail.
No, you're not going to go to jail.
I'm close to getting my kids back.
No.
In the system.
Right.
My kids coming home. And they see this, they not going to send my kids home.
All right, just put your foot in real quick, hon, okay? You don't have a driver's license on you, do you?
I don't know how to drive.
You don't know how to drive? Okay. Hon, do you live in Davenport now, or where do you live?
I live in Davenport now.
Okay, what's your address in Davenport?
It's my cousin's address, it's not mine.
Okay, well, that's okay. Okay, so you're not going to go to jail, okay? You're going to be released right here, okay? But you are going to be issued a notice to appear for resisting.
That's going to his house?
No.
He changed the address?
No. This I'm just giving to you. That's it. Nothing's going to any houses, okay? So all it is you have to make sure you go to court on the 18th of August. Are you still going to be in town? Okay. Just make sure you go to court. It's just a misdemeanor charge. You're not going to go to jail. Nothing's going to the house of the address you gave me, okay, hon? This is just what we got to do for today, okay? So you get the trespass for here, and then this just to make sure you go to court, okay? All right, hon. Go ahead and step out for me, okay? So it's just your copy, okay? So make sure you go to that court date, okay? All right, guys, take care.
Subject grade C+. Her refund grievance had merit. The cashier created this dispute. But a legitimate grievance does not authorize refusing to identify during a lawful detention. That single refusal triggered everything that followed. Responding officers grade A-. Patient de-escalation, proportionate force, and a measured NTA outcome. Reflects strong professional standards. Deduction. The floor takedown may have been avoidable with a brief additional verbal compliance window. Family Dollar grade B. The call to police was within the store's rights. The cashier's inconsistent cashback policy created the underlying dispute. Better staff training would have prevented this encounter. Key takeaway 1. The duty to identify is enforceable. Refusing your name during a lawful stop is not a legal defense. It is a separate criminal act with its own legal consequences. Key takeaway 2. A legitimate grievance does not create a right to resist. If a business or officer acted wrongly, the remedy is civil action, not refusal on scene. Key takeaway 3. Use of force is judged at the moment of the decision. Warnings before force are discretionary, not legally required. An officer commanding a non-compliant subject may use reasonable force without warning. The subject was issued a notice to appear for obstruction and resisting, court date August 18th, and was trespassed from the store. No further case outcome is available at the time of this analysis. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.